Good morning. Yesterday was an unprecedented day for the Indian markets. Despite the fact that US postponed the debt ceiling till February 17th and also removed the US shutdown, the Indian markets ended the day on a negative note. The Indian markets yesterday opened on a slightly negative note following the Dow Jones futures, which were traded on a negative in the early morning. However, during the day, the Dow Jones fell in excess of over 100 points in the late afternoon trade, and the Indian markets tanked around 0.6% yesterday. Consumer durables were the major sectorial gainers of the day, while the IT and tech stocks were the major sectorial losers of the day. Yesterday, HCL Tech came out with a positive set of numbers for the September quarter. However, the revenue growth was just in line with the street expectations, and there was no positives given for the upcoming financial year. Hence, stocks like HCL Tech and TCS tanked in excess of 6.7% and 4.6% yesterday. FIs once again were buyers in the cash segment where they bought equities worth 1,110 crores yesterday. Domestic institutions, on the other hand, were net sellers, where they sold cash in the cash segment for a tune of 1,150 crore. Crude oil yesterday fell in excess of $1.5 per barrel and once again reached the $100 mark yesterday. Castrol India also posted a good set of numbers yesterday. However, Streets was slightly disappointed with its flat revenue growth. On the positive side, its margin expanded by around 388 basis points from the last September quarter. Coming to some positive news for the day, the positive factor for all the Asian markets is that the Chinese economy has grown by around 7.8% for the quarter ended September, as per the data released yesterday. This was in line with the consensus estimate of 7.8% due on Bloomberg. Some of the important results that are lined up for today includes the likes of CRISIL, L&T and Petron LNG. The Asian markets are trading in a flat note in the early morning trade, while Singapore Nifty was up by around 30 points in the early morning trade. The Indian markets are expected to be positive for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 20630 and 20391 levels, while major resistance and support levels for Nifty comes around the level of 6111 and 6031 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.